Wanna save a TikTok video? Let's see how you can download your own and others' videos quickly. So first you have to open up your TikTok app and go to your profile. So first, for download your own video, you just have to select the video you just want to download, and now tap on the three dot menu and from the option choose download. And after that you will see a download prompt and the video will be saved instantly. So once it's downloaded, you can also share it directly to others' media platforms. And now if you want to download someone else's videos, open their video first and tap to share button. And from here, you will see the download option as well. So just tap it and the video will download the same way. And after that, just open up your photos or gallery app and you will find the downloaded videos saved there. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for your time.